Hey guys, Worth here with Ken Tool. Today we're looking at our new valve stem nut wrenches, part numbers 29851 and 29852. These specialty tools are designed specifically for heavy-duty truck and wheel service, making valve stem installation and removal faster, safer, and easier. Crafted in the USA, these wrenches are chrome-plated for durability and long service life. The easy grip handle provides comfort and better leverage, reducing pressure and fatigue on your hands during those tough jobs. As you can see, the wrench features a single-end offset ratcheting box design. That offset allows you to turn the nut without the handle interfering with the rim, giving you more clearance and easier access in tight spaces. The 12-point broached opening accepts both 9/16 and 5/8 of an inch valve stem nuts. This flexibility makes it a versatile fit for a wide range of truck wheels. The ratcheting action means you could quickly loosen or tighten the nut without constantly repositioning the wrench. Combined with the screwdriver style handle, you'll be able to apply more turning power with less effort. So whether you're removing or installing valve stems on heavy duty truck rims, the Ken Tool part numbers 29851 and 29852 valve stem nut wrenches deliver efficiency, comfort, and durability you can count on. Made in the USA, built for the toughest jobs. Ken Tool, the right tool for the job.